Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by checking your Chromebook and the keyboard layout so you know what options are available. Open Settings, then About Chrome OS to confirm the version. Newer updates add keyboard remaps. Once done, navigate to Device Keyboard to access modifier keys. If your Chromebook lacks a caps lock key, plan to remap the search or launcher key instead. This early step prevents surprises and lets you proceed directly to toggling or remapping without trial and error. Now change the behavior. In Keyboard Settings, locate the search or launcher key option and set it to caps lock if you want a dedicated key. Alternatively, make sure the Alt plus Search shortcut toggles caps lock for quick use. Once changed, test in a text field by typing a mix of lower and uppercase to confirm behavior. If you need persistent uppercase, consider using Shift Lock via accessibility features. Make sure to revert if you prefer original key functions for shortcuts. Finish by signing out or restarting to ensure the remap persists across sessions. If you enabled sticky keys for easier capital typing, practice the sequence so you don't toggle it unintentionally. Make sure to document which key you remap to avoid muscle memory errors. Troubleshooting. If caps lock doesn't behave as expected, return to Keyboard Settings and reset to default, then reapply the remap. Also check for pending Chrome OS updates that can restore or change keyboard behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.